Hello and welcome to our video about the top 10 creepiest parasites on Earth. In this video, we'll be exploring some of the most fascinating yet terrifying creatures that exist in our world. Parasites are organisms that live on or inside other organisms, called hosts, and can cause harm or even death to their hosts. Studying these creatures is important because they can teach us a lot about the intricacies of life on Earth. From brain-controlling parasites to vampire fish, let's dive into the world of parasites. Number 1. Brain-controlling parasite. Brain-controlling parasites are a group of organisms that can invade the brains of their hosts and alter their behavior. One of the most famous examples is the Toxoplasma gondii parasite, which can infect humans and alter their behavior. Studies have shown that people infected with T. gondii are more likely to take risks and experience mood swings. In mice, the parasite can make them less afraid of predators, which increases their chances of being eaten by cats, the parasite's ultimate host. It's also been suggested that T. gondii infection may increase the risk of schizophrenia in humans. Number 2. Botfly. Next up is the botfly, a parasitic fly that lays its eggs on mosquitoes or other insects. When the mosquito bites a host, the eggs hatch and the larvae burrow into the host's skin, where they grow and feed on the host's tissue. The thought of a living creature growing inside your body is definitely creepy. In humans, botfly larvae can cause a painful lesion that needs to be removed surgically. Number 3. Guinea worm. Guinea worm is a parasitic nematode that lives in contaminated water. When a person drinks water that contains the larvae grow inside the person's body and can reach up to 3 feet in length. After a year of living in the host's body, the worm emerges through the skin, causing a painful blister. This parasite has been eradicated in many parts of the world, but it still affects people in some regions. Number 4. Leukochloridium paradoxim. Leukochloridium paradoxim is a parasitic worm that invades the body of a snail. The worm changes the appearance of the snail's eye stalks to make them look like worms, which attract birds that eat the snail. Once inside the bird's digestive system, the worm reproduces and its eggs are released in the bird's droppings. This parasite's ability to manipulate its host's appearance is truly fascinating. Number 5. Cordyceps. Cordyceps is a genus of fungi that can infect insects and take over their bodies. The fungus will grow inside the insect's body, eventually killing it. Once the insect is dead, the fungus will grow out of the body, producing spores that can infect other insects. This parasite's ability to control and manipulate its host's behavior is truly amazing. Number 6. Tongue-eating louse. The tongue-eating louse is a parasitic isopod that enters a fish's mouth and attaches itself to the fish's tongue. It will then feed on the blood vessels in the tongue until the tongue dies, and then the louse will become the fish's new tongue. The thought of a parasite taking over a host's organ is truly terrifying. Number 7. Spiny-headed worm. Spiny-headed worms are parasitic flatworms that live in the intestines of fish, birds, and mammals. They have a spiny head that they use to attach to the host's intestines, where they feed on the host's blood and nutrients. These parasites can cause serious health problems in their hosts, such as anemia and malnutrition. Number 8. Lolo. Lolo is a parasitic nematode that is transmitted to humans through the bites of deer flies. The larvae of the worm can enter the body through the bite wound and grow into adult worms that can reach up to 7 times in length. The adult worms can migrate through the body, causing pain, itching, and swelling under the skin. This parasite can cause serious health problems if left untreated. Number 9. Malaria. Malaria is a parasitic disease caused by the Plasmodium parasite, which is transmitted to humans through the bites of infected mosquitoes. The parasite can invade the red blood cells of its host, causing fever, chills, and flu-like symptoms. Malaria can be deadly, and it is estimated that over 400,000 people die from malaria each year, mostly children under the age of 5. Number 10. Candiru. Last on our list is the Candiru, also known as the vampire fish. It's a parasitic catfish that lives in the Amazon River. It's attracted to the scent of urine and has been known to swim up the urethra of people who urinate in the river. Once inside the host's body, it uses its spines to attach itself to the surrounding tissues and feed on blood. Well, there you have it. The top 10 creepiest parasites on Earth. While these parasites may seem like something out of a horror movie, they exist in the real world and have real effects on the organisms they infect. Studying these parasites can help us better understand the complexity of life on Earth and how different organisms interact with each other. We hope you found this video informative and fascinating. Thank you for watching.